We just finished with linking words. What are linking words? Linking words add more information to the sentence structure and makes reading very interesting. But today we're going to be looking at sentence connectors. They are linking words, but they are called sentence connectors. Now, what do you understand by sentence connectors? Sentence connectors, if you look at the word, it is a connector of sentences. As simple as that. A sentence or two independent clauses are connected with a connector. What are independent clauses? That's a very good question. An independent clause is a clause which has a subject and a predicate, and it can stand by itself. It's as good as a sentence. So, when you have two clauses and you want to join them together, you have to use a connector. We are not going to only use connectors to join. Connectors like conjunctions, like and but, and relative pronouns like who, whose, what is one way of connecting two sentences together. And yet there is one more way. There's another way which we can connect sentences, that is without using a connector, and that is using the participle of the verb. For example, doing, having, gone, driven. You're going to be using the participle of the verb to join sentences together. So let's look at how we can connect two sentences or two independent clauses with connectors and without connectors, and we'll do it through the PowerPoint presentation. So we're doing sentence joining with a connector and without a connector. Now if you look at the slide here, joining sentences with connectors, you have two here, conjunctions and relative pronouns, as I said earlier, and without connectors, that is the participle of the verb. Now your conjunctions, these are your main, remember fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. That's the way to remember your conjunctions. And relative pronouns, that is who, whom, whose, which, that, where, when, why, what. Now without connectives, you will be using the words like doing, done, having done, going, gone, having gone, driven, driving, driven, having driven, etc. So let's look at an example. The house door was open, full stop, the valuables were stolen. Okay, so when I say the house door was open, there are two independent sentences, two independent clauses. So what you're going to be doing is, I'm going to be using the word since. Since the house door was open, the valuables were stolen. So this becomes a connector, okay, the word since. Now what happens, how can we join a sentence without a connector? Now suppose if I didn't want to use the word since, I will join it without a connector. What will I do is, I'll search for the verb. The verb here is was, okay. So what will I say? The house door being open, the valuables were stolen. So I'm converting the word was into being, and I'm going to change that, and I'm not going to add anything here, but I'm going to use the verb, the participle of the verb. I'm going to use this verb to suit this sentence without a connector. So if a question comes to the exam, join a sentence with a connector, or sometimes they'll say use join a sentence without a connector, you will have to do it without a connector. Okay, so for that you will have to find the verb. Now let's look at the exercise. Join the sentence with or without connectors. Now this is from the examination point of view. These are the questions that you're going to be getting for the exam. Einstein became a gifted amateur violinist. Full stop. He maintained this skill throughout his life. So you have to join both these two sentences and you have to use a connector. Einstein, who became a gifted amateur violinist, maintained this skill throughout his life. So you have actually removed he, okay, and that's your answer. Now you can do it without using a connector. So what will you do? You will actually find the verb in the sentence. So which verb you're going to change? Now in this case you're going to change the word maintained, okay. So you will say that Einstein became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining this skill throughout his life. Firefighters finally put out the fire, they worked on the clock, okay. This is the answer with because, and this is without a connector. This is another one. So you try and find the word, either you'll change watch, okay, or you'll change notice, and you'll join the sentence. Here I've used and noticing.